America's families are planning to travel more than ever in 2026. But choosing the right place in Asia can be overwhelming. That's why today we're ranking the 10 best Asia destinations for American families in 2026. Based on safety, convenience, kid-friendly activities, budgeting, and stress-free travel. Whether you've got young kids, teens, or you're planning a multi-generational trip, this guide will help you pick the perfect destination. Number 1. Tokyo, Japan. If you want the ultimate family trip with zero stress, Tokyo is unbeatable. It's insanely safe, clean, organized, and easy to navigate, even if it's your first time in Asia. Kids will love Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea, Team Lab Planets, Pokemon Centers, Ghibli Museum, and Odaiba's mega malls. Food is also a huge win. Japanese meals are clean, kid-friendly, and allergy accommodations are easy. Tokyo is perfect for families with kids aged 4 to 17, especially first-time travelers. For families who want peaceful beaches and a slower pace, Da Nang and Hoi An are excellent choices. They're spotless, affordable, and safe for kids. Hoi An feels like stepping into a lantern-filled storybook. And the beach resorts in Da Nang are perfect for relaxing. And don't miss Bana Hills and the Golden Bridge. Your kids will freak out. If you're looking for a tropical family vacation without breaking the bank, Bangkok plus Phuket is unbeatable. Thailand offers affordable 4 to 5-star resorts, amazing beaches, friendly locals, easy transportation. Bangkok gives you culture and excitement. Phuket gives you beaches and relaxation. Perfect if you want luxury on a budget. Next up, Kyoto. If your family prefers calm mornings, beautiful scenery, and cultural experiences, Kyoto delivers. You can walk through bamboo forests, explore ancient temples, meet real geishas, and enjoy peaceful neighborhoods. Kyoto works great as a 2 to 3 day add-on after Tokyo. For beach-loving families, Palawan or Cebu offers some of the world's most beautiful water. Think island hopping, snorkeling, gentle waves, dolphins, friendly locals, and stunning views. Great for multi-generational families who want both relaxation and adventure. Kuala Lumpur is incredible for families looking for big activities on a budget. You've got theme parks, mega malls, aquariums, kids' museums, and the massive Sunway Lagoon Adventure Park. Food is fantastic and cheap, and the city is very comfortable for American travelers. Coming in strong, Singapore, the safest and easiest family destination in Asia. For beginners, Singapore checks every box. English-speaking, clean, extremely safe, world-class attractions, no culture shock. Your kids will love Sentosa Island, Universal Studios, water parks, night safari, and gardens by the bay. It's basically Asia's starter kit for American families. Got teens? Then Seoul might be your best pick. Korea is trendy, modern, safe, and full of experiences older kids love. K-pop cafes, Lotte World theme park, shopping districts, and fun street foods. Seoul is vibrant, but still family-friendly with great museums, palaces, and parks. If you want a short, action-packed family trip, Hong Kong is the one. Here you get Hong Kong Disneyland, Ocean Park, Victoria Peak Tram, amazing dim sum, and one of the easiest metro systems in the world. English is widely spoken, which makes it very comfortable for Americans with kids. Finally, Shanghai, the most futuristic city in Asia with one of the best Disney parks in the world. You also get the Bund skyline, glass walkways, river cruises, and tons of kid-friendly malls and playgrounds. For families who want a mix of theme parks plus modern city life, Shanghai's a perfect blend. And there you have it, the best Asian destinations for American families in 2026. Whether you're traveling with toddlers, kids, or teens, Asia has something amazing waiting for you. Comment below which country your family is most excited about. And don't forget to subscribe for more Asia travel guides explicitly made for American travelers.